Today we are getting ready to install our log gate entrance at the homestead, and so what we've done is we've got these 22-foot logs. We're going to bury them 6 feet deep, so we've got them burned, and that should prevent some water going in. We may do a little bit of a stain mixture on there just to add some more preserving, but stuff is sanding off kind of the rough cut. We use the chainsaw wizard to get the bark off, and you can see I think I need to get my blade on the wizard sharpened a little bit, just because we have a lot of little peelings that aren't coming off properly. But with a little sanding, this is what they look like, and it's going to look great. Somebody's in the doghouse. How much do we have to dig out there?
Probably 6 inches.
All right. Okay, so we've got the post hole dug, and we're about ready to use the forks, and then we're going to angle it into the hole and then bury it back. So we got it just at 6 feet, and see how this goes. Okay, so we got one upright in, and then tomorrow the other one will start, and we have some hole that needs to be dug out a little bit still, but yeah, that's good. Here we are today getting ready to put in the second log gate post, and we got Steph in the dungeon, and posts almost ready to go in. We have about another 7 inches to dig here. All right, so we're just getting ready to switch the forks with a bucket, and we got quite a bit of the hole filled in already, so we're just going to use the skid steer to get the last little bit of the dirt and pack it down, and we'll have to just do a double check for level. We'll have to push it out a little bit, but they're up and not looking too bad actually. So that's 16 feet apart and 16 feet high. So Steph's just trying to backblade right now, get us some of the overflow to work with, and then we'll start plowing that in the hole. It's actually come along really nice. All right, so we got the gate up, and temporarily we have a chain in place here with a private property sign. So we'll be putting in a timber gate, but for now this will hold.